I'm Dick, and today we're going to color Easter eggs. The catch is we're going to try to see if there's a difference between dyeing the white eggs and the brown eggs laid by our chickens. These are fresh eggs from our chickens. We hard boiled them. I looked online. This is the perfect way to boil eggs, it says. So we're going to boil the white eggs and the brown eggs we got from our own chickens. First we're going to put in some salt. The salt is useful because if the egg cracks, the hot salt water will actually seal it off so the pot doesn't get messy. And we're going to slowly place in the eggs. Just bring the water to a boil, and as soon as the water boils, turn off the heat and cover it. Wait 30 minutes and you're supposed to have a perfectly boiled egg. So, let's boil it and come back later. Okay, so our eggs started to boil. Now we're going to turn it off and cover it with the lid and let it sit for 30 minutes. Now I did it, and we're going to dye them and see how different they are dyed. So, my daughter Persephone's here with me, and she's going to help me dye some eggs. So Persephone, why don't you dye your first egg? What color do you want it? Pink? Alright, put it in. I'll do pink too. Okay. So Persephone has the brown ones here. She just put the pink, the orange, and the yellow in, and now she's going to put in green and blue. Now I'm going to put the white, I have the pink and the orange in. I'm going to do yellow, green, and blue. And we're going to let them sit for a little while and see how they come out. So these are the brown ones, the farm fresh eggs from our chickens. These are the white ones that came from the store. 5 minutes. I'm going to put a timer on for maybe 4 minutes right now. So we're using the basic Paz color kit. I think this is the standard. This is the one I've bought since I was a kid.
Daddy, I think the blue one is
It tells me the pink's going to have to go a lot longer than 5 minutes.
That looks weird, huh?
Hmm?
Yours don't look like they're actually dying. Well, I guess they are a little bit, now that they're turning. Persephone, which ones do you think will be the prettiest?
this one and this one.
Do you think your eggs that are brown or your dad's eggs that are white will be the prettiest?
Brown.
Yeah.
Your eggs?
Yours? Yeah.
And then am I gonna do these ones?
Yeah.
You're not doing good at me.
No, I'm not doing good as you. You're doing very good.
And you're not.
The yellow looks nice. You want to try it? I can help you. There's the green.
Wow, that's very brilliant green.
Okay.
I've never seen an Easter egg that dark before.
That's a good one. Here's the blue.
Wow, these are very bright colors.
Look at the pink. Oh, careful. Alright, now Daddy's going to take out his.
Okay, we'll see which ones are the
This
prettiest.
is the yellow. Whoops.
Mine's gonna be the
I
prettiest.
think so too.
Ah! Daddy's no good at
We'll
this.
ask the viewers to vote.
Yeah,
which
they can
ones are the
vote.
prettiest.
So that's the yellow.
So you guys who are watching, tell us whose are the prettiest, Persephone's or Dad's?
Mine.
Alright, now here's
Oh,
the
that's
green.
very bright green too.
I like the brown green better. It's like a Kelly green. Pink? The pink is definitely more pink.
Yeah, the pink did better, I think, on the white ones.
It's too much of a light color to really come in.
My pink did good.
I think the blue came out better on the brown. Oops. Let's get a shot of these. So we have blue. Okay, this is the brown egg, sir. Blue, yellow, green. Orange, pink. And here on the white eggs we have blue, yellow, orange, green, and pink.
I definitely like the green and the orange and the blue
Green and the
of
orange
the brown
and the blue.
eggs.
Yeah, I like those better too.
Me
But
too.
the pink and the yellow, you might like them better of the white.
I
But
think so.
if you're watching, tell us which ones you like best.
Well, let's do the last one. Do you want to put them in?
Yeah. I'm gonna like mine the best because mine is prettier
Yeah, I think so.
than yours.
The brown eggs is towards my fingers here at the back, and the white eggs are in the front.
You know what I think
That
is
pink is
that it's
cool.
nice to just do both.
I think it's nice to do both too. Alright, say goodbye, Persephone.
Goodbye.
Alright,
She's out of here.
she's out, she's gone. So bye everybody, thanks for watching. Again, both eggs dye nicely. You should buy both and dye both. Now, if you like this video, like it. you have something to say, comment. You should comment and tell me if you've dyed eggs before that were brown, or maybe you know how to dye them better than I do. And which ones do you like better? That's an easy question. Answer it in the comments. And please subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Good job.
That's really good.
Oh, oh! They just picked me.
Did they peck you?
Yeah, Penny.
Penny did it. She's always the one that does the pecking.